Hello friends, welcome back to Dream Degree Abroad. In today's video, I am going to guide about the complete application process of KNB Scholarship. So if you want to study in Indonesia, the KNB Scholarship is best option for international students with fully funding. So must apply in this prestigious university. So first of all, let's talk about its deadline. Its deadline is 31st March 2026. So now scroll down and check the application procedure. So application procedure is first is download the KNB scholarship offering letter from the KNB scholarship website. So you have to download the KNB scholarship offering letter. From here, download documents. Here, KNB scholarship offer letter. Click on download. After downloading, a PDF file is open. It has 6 pages. Come to the page number 6. So it is basically the letter. Scroll down. It is basically the letter type including your name, country, city, and then passport number. So come back. And number 2 is contact the Indonesian embassy and submit the following documents to obtain a recommendation letter from the Indonesian embassy. Here basically you have to contact the Indonesian embassy which is present in your country. For example, if I am from Pakistan, so I have to contact the Indonesian embassy that is present in Pakistan, and you have to submit the following documents to obtain a recommendation letter. You send the following documents to the Indonesian embassy, and then they will provide the recommendation letter for you, and that recommendation letter you have to attach in your application. So let's check which documents you have to submit to the Indonesian embassy. First is KNB scholarship offering letter. I have shown you already. So this one download here, and then official passport, curriculum vitae, CV, English proficiency test, recommendation letter, but it is not compulsory. Academic recommendation letter, academic certificate and academic transcript from previous degree, medical report, then recommendation letter from potential research supervisor, then your statement of purpose for studies in Indonesia. Submit the following documents. These all are same that I have already told you. And the next, number 4 is complete the online application process. I am just telling you. And number 5, complete all stages of selection process. Then selection results will be published online through the KNB Scholarship website and officially announced via the Indonesian Publication Network. So this is the complete application procedure. Scroll down and you can check the requirements. If you are applying for bachelor degree, then check the requirements for bachelor degree, and if you are applying for master's degree, then check the requirements. Maximum age is 35 years. Hold a bachelor's degree. Provide CV in English. English proficiency test. Recommendation letter, and then provide recommendation letter to apply for KNB scholarship from the employer. First recommendation letter is from Indonesian embassy, and then second is from employer. Then provide academic recommendation letter from previous schools in English. So read all the requirements carefully and then apply for your program. Now let's talk about the application process. First of all, go to the official website of KNB Scholarship. A page like this will open. You have to register yourself. After registration, a page like this, you can log in from your email and password, and then a page like this will open. So here the option will be create application. So I have already created an application, so I have the option of continue. So click here. So here are the 5 steps. Fill all the steps to complete your application. So first one is personal information. So personal information including your first name, your last name, country of origin, citizenship, then official passport number, and then upload the document of your passport, then passport expiry date, enter your date of birth, your place of birth, enter your gender, and then marital status. Then attach your formal photo profile, enter your home address, current address, and then mobile phone number. Then Instagram, Twitter, Facebook are optional. You can skip them. Then click on next. So step 2 is academic information. So enter your GPA, your GPA score, then English proficiency test, select type, TOEFL, IELTS, others. So I have chosen others, then English proficiency score, and then latest high school, college, last study program, video introduction link. You can copy link from here and then enter the file of your CV. It should be in PDF. Then attach a statement letter of current unemployment. Then add the certificate of IELTS, TOEFL or other documents. And then BIPA certificate, it is optional. You can skip it. And the next academic transcript, academic certificate, and then academic recommendation. Then Indonesian embassy recommendation. I have already told you about Indonesian embassy recommendation. So after filling accurately, scroll down and click on next. So the step 3 is university and study program. Select your degree for which you are applying. For example, I am applying for master's degree, so I am choosing master's. So you can select 2 universities and 2 programs at a time. So select university, option 1. You can choose any of university. Then select study program. I have chosen pharmacy. Then select university, option 2, University Indonesia. I have chosen and then select study program, option 2. So I have chosen pharmaceutical science. So after filling this, move to this next, click on save. So the next is step 4 statement, personal statement. Please read this carefully before you sign this. So scroll down and read all the steps carefully. Then agree and then move to the next. Next is also number 4 statement and it is medical condition. So answer all the following questions. Have you been absent from work for a period of 5 or more consecutive days? So click on no. Has a medical professional ever treated you? Click on no. Disease of liver, etc. So this is basically about your disabilities. So you can choose your answer according to your information. Read all this and then at the end you have to attach your certificate, medical certificate, and then move to the next. So next is step 5, review and confirm submission. So you can review your application and then scroll down and in confirmation you have to enter your signatures. You would not be able to edit your information after your signatures, so make sure your application should be correct. So after entering your correct information and completing your application, so signature here and then you can click on confirm submission. So now your application is submitted. So in this way, you can apply for KNB Scholarship and study in Indonesia. And it has no application fee, so you can apply free and study in Indonesia with fully funding. Hope this video will be helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and also visit our website Dream Degree Abroad to know about the latest scholarship opportunities around the globe. Thank you.